Hello everybody. This is a video on how to tie the belt. Of course, this is something that we go over with all of our new students, but it always does seem rather confusing at that first time. And we promise that it is not confusing. It is, in fact, much simpler than it seems. And hopefully you will think that after watching this video. So let's get started on how to tie the belt. First things first, you always want to start with the middle of the belt, which can easily be found just by folding it in half and making sure that the ends are even. Okay, once you've found the middle, take that middle, you're going to put it on your waist. Just below the belly button is a good point. You're going to wrap both ends around yourself. And then again, you want to make sure that the ends are even, which you can simply do by making sure that when you stretch them out, they meet at the same point. If they don't, you can just a little twist and adjust the belt from your waist. That's fine. Once they're even, you're going to make an X with your belt. Now you can do left over right or right over left. It doesn't matter what you start with. Just please make sure you remember what you start with. In this video, we're doing our left side over our right side. Okay, so we did left over right. From here, you're going to take that top section of the X. You're going to bring that end up and under both layers of the belt. So it's going to be between the belt and your stomach at this point. You're going to tighten it up just to make sure it's a little bit more snug. If you don't like your belt more tight, you don't have to tighten it. Honestly, it's personal preference. But tightening up just a little bit will make sure that it's a more stable knot once it is fully tied. Now, after we have tightened it up just a little bit, we're going to go on to making our second X. So whatever you did at your first X, whether it was left over right or right over left, you're going to do the opposite for this second X. So we started left over right. So for this X, we're going to go right side over the left side. Okay. Now we have our second X. We're going to again take that top part of the X, bring the end of that section. You want to bring it behind and through the loop that you have made. After that, you're going to give it a nice tug, and this one you do want to pull nice and tightly to make sure the knot is nice and snug. And after that, congratulations, you have tied the belt. Okay, now that we have gone through it step by step, let's go through it once again just a little bit faster. So again, keeping in mind, we are going to start with the middle of the belt. Bring that to your waist, just underneath your belly button. Wrap it around. After that, you're going to make your X. Again, we start left over right. Taking the top part of the X, bringing the end up and under both of the belt layers. Give a little tug. Tighten it up just a little bit, making sure the ends meet. Making our second X. Remember, we started left over right, so this time we're going to go right over left. Making our second X, taking that top part and bringing it up and through the loop that we have made, tightening it up. And once again, congratulations, you are now an expert on how to tie the belt, hopefully. Good job.